Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and if this is the first time for reaching to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And here, let's provide a solution. And you know that the first thing here is to copy what we have x power 3 plus x equals to 30. Let's solve this one very quickly. We have x power 3 plus x minus 30 equals to 0, and we know that this is x power 3 plus x, and you can say minus this 30 can be written as 27 plus 3 equals 0, and x power 3 plus x, then negative 27 negative 3 will be 0. By grouping right terms, x power 3 minus 27 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, and we know x power 3 minus 3 cubic plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. By dealing with this one, only here shall say x minus 3 then times x squared plus 3 squared plus 3x, then plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x minus 3 times x squared plus 9 plus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. At this stage we have x minus 3, and here we have x minus 3. We can factorize to get x minus 3, open bracket of x squared plus 3x plus 9, then plus 1 from here. This will be equal to 0. At this stage, we shall say x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 10 will be 0. And we are going to equalize each equation equal to 0 to be x minus 3 will be 0, or x squared plus 3x plus 10 will be 0. X equals to 3, or x squared plus 3x plus 10 will be 0. Here we can find delta to get, which is equal to b squared minus 4 times a times c, and our a is equal to 1, b 3, and c equals to 10. Now delta will be b squared is equal to 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10, and this will be 9 minus 40, and this will be negative 31, which is less than 2, 0, and will be rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 3, and you have to check if our answer is correct, because here we have given x power 3 plus x equals to 30, and here this is 3 cubic plus 3, which is equal to 30, and 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, then left, that is 30 is equal to 30, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.